Kickstart your career with Ladha classes and Kitcha's assured job interview programs with minimum salary ranging from 20,000 to 40,000 per month. Let's start a successful career in finance, banking, HR, marketing, operations and supply chains, IT, full stack development, and many more. Let us understand this program offerings in detail. For example, join our one-year program for certification in finance and banking services and take the first step towards securing a high-paying job. In the field of banking, finance, investments, insurance and many more with top recruiters from Kotak Mahindra Bank, KPMG, Deloitte, HSBC and so on. Let's look at the program highlights. The program starts with 3 months of exhaustive general management training to build a solid foundation in the field of general management, then deep dive into 6 months of core training in the field of banking, financial services, and insurance. With this, you are ready for 3 months practical experience in corporate, having paid internship of minimum 8,000 rupee to 15,000 rupees stipend. During your internship, we will make you ready with job interviews for final placements. With this one-year program of certification in finance and banking services, now you are ready for final placement of minimum 5 lakhs per annum, that is 40,000 per month, to an average salary of 8 lakhs per annum. You will undergo the training with experienced faculties from Mumbai and Pune, with offline classroom training in your own city. For limited batch size, online training is also available to enhance the selection and recruitment process. This program ensures special training on communication. There is a legal agreement between student and training and placement agency which will ensure that each student will get 5 assured job interviews with a minimum salary of 5 lakhs per annum rupees to an average salary of 8 lakhs per annum. Let's go through the student journey. In certification in finance and banking services, register with us to begin your journey by giving your details like name, email, contact details, educational background and address. After registration, student will take a free screening test of 5 to 10 minutes on his mobile, which will help us evaluate student's skills and guide him about area or domain he is suited for, along with his strengths and weaknesses. Complete your payment after the screening test. Student can avail loan facilities if he does not want to put financial burden on parents. Once admission is secured, student will undergo a detailed personality analysis test to know the exact areas of improvements. Now, start your training with daily 2 to 4 hours sessions for minimum 5 days a week. First 3 months of general management training, followed by 6 months of core training. Here, at every stage of academic module, you have to give tests to check your skills level in subject areas and communication. For last 3 months, gain hands-on experience with corporate internship, earning a stipend of 8,000 rupee to 15,000 rupees, helping you to become corporate ready. Now, along with internship, we prepare you for interview skills training, ensuring you're ready to shine in your job interviews. And the best part? We guarantee 5 job interviews with a minimum salary of rupees 5 lakhs per annum to an average salary of rupees 8 lakhs per annum. Eligibility criteria: final year students or recent graduates in any discipline. Age less than 26 years. Minimum 50% in the last academic year. In this certification in finance and banking services, the training and placement agency is legally binding to provide you assured 5 job interviews if the student meets following criteria. Minimum 80% of attendance in classroom. Securing more than 50% in tests on each module of curriculum. For communication, student must clear Metal Mercer's minimum criteria. This can be achieved through special communication classes. We are committed to make India employable. Don't miss this opportunity to kickstart your career. Enroll today and transform your future with us.